Hey, hello guys, welcome once again. So today we will talk about the top 20 richest NBA players. So now let's start. First we will see from the 20th number at 20th position. After that we will see 19, 18, and after that we will see the first position serial wise. So if you are seeing my channel first time, please subscribe the channel. And if you want to see the top 10, then you can go in the middle. So you can see at the 20th position is Amre Souttarmi, net worth, total net worth properties of $95 million. So now we will see the 19th. So regarding if you want to see the top 10, you can skip the some of the video and you can go in the middle to see the top 10. Now you can see the 19th at 19th position, that is the Steve Nash, net worth properties of $95 million. The Steve plays for the Suns. So regarding anything, you can comment in the comment box. So many people ask me the top richest NBA player. So be with me. In the last we will see the topmost first position of the richest player. Now on the 18th position is Tony Parker, net worth properties of $97 million. He plays for Spurs. So who is the topmost richest players of NBA all-time history you are thinking? So please guess. It is there in the last of the video. Now you can see the 17th position. At the 17th position, Dwight Howard, net worth property of $100 million. So if you are seeing my channel first time, you can like the video, subscribe the channel to get the latest update about the NBA. Now after that we will see the others player, that is on the 16th position. Yes, on the 16th position the player name is Ray Allen, net worth property of $100 million. He played for Heat. It is the all-time NBA richest player list. You can see he have the $100 million property. I think you are waiting for the Lakers and the Michael Jordan and the KBO brand, the topmost player. You are thinking that they are the rich. Okay, let's see. We will talk about them also. Now on the 15th position is Chris Bosh, net worth property of he have around $105 million. He played for Miami. It is the again I would like to say it is the all-time NBA richest players list. You can see the other players on the 14th position. Yeah, 14th position is Dwayne Wade, net worth property of $110 million. He played for Celtics. So regarding anything, you can comment in the comment box. According to you, which player is the most richest, and if any correction is there, you can comment in the comment box. Yeah, now we will see the 13th player, 13th list on the 13th number. On the 13th number is Derek Nowitzki, net worth property of $120 million. He played for Dallas. You can comment in the comment box regarding this player if you want to know or anything about it in the video. Yeah, you can see. Now we will see about the 12th player. Actually it is there in the 13th list because two players have same property net worth. Yong Ming from China, net worth of $120 million. So hello guys, now we will talk about the 11th player in the list. So you can see at the 11th position is Gary Payton, net worth of $120 million property is there. So regarding that, you can comment in the comment box any query. After the completion of this 11th, we will see the top 10 NBA richest player of all the time. Yeah, I think already betting for that only. Top 10 NBA richest player. So now let's start. On the 10th position is Carmelo Anthony, net worth of 130 millions property. He played for Newark. I think you guess which player is in the 5th position. I think James LeBron. Maybe see. Let's see. Now we will see the 9th position. In the 9th position is Tim Duncan, net worth of 150 millions property. He is on the 9th position. Now we will see the player of the 8th position, who is in the 8th position. You can see Grant Hill, net worth of 120 million property. So now let's see the others player in the list. So we'll talk about the 7th player. Yeah, 7th player, Kevin Garnett, net worth of 180 millions. He have the property of 180 millions. He already took the retirement. Now we will see the 6th position by which player. You guess it? I think all you know. Maybe. So the 6th position is by Hakeem Olajuwon, net worth of 200 million property. Total net worth is 200 million. Now we will talk about the 5th position. Let's see who is in the 5th position. Shaquille O'Neal of net worth 400 million property. He also took the already retirement. So now we will see the top 5 NBA richest player of the history. Yeah, of course, all-time favorite Lakers players James LeBron on the 5th position with 400 million property. Now the top 4 players will be there in the list. Actually, he is in the top 4 because 2 players are in the 5th position. So according to ranking, he is in the 4th position. Now the man of the era, Kevin O'Brien. He already passed away, but he have the property of 500 million net worth. Kobe Bryant. He already died in the plane crash. Big shock for the basketball world. So now we'll see the top 2. Who is in the top 2? Maybe you guess. I think you know. On the 2nd position is Lakers player Magic Johnson, net worth 500 million dollar. And then none other than in the 1st position. You are waiting for the 1st position. I am also waiting for the 1st position. And then now 1st position is acquired by the none other than all-time champion Michael Jordan. Yes, net property of $1.65 billion. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel to get the latest update about the NBA sports. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you.